Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the hackerrank problem solution which is gemstones. The question is John has collected various rocks. We have to find the number of gemstones available in that rock. That is our question. Example is array of strings which is given ABC, ABC and BC. The minerals B and C appear in each composite, so there are two gemstones. Here the logic is the array of strings, that means a list of strings will be given. We have to find the character which is available in all the strings, common in all the strings. Here B and C is common in all the strings, though, so it will be considered as a gemstone. Here B and C is gemstones, so number of gemstone is 2. Like that we have to consider and find the gemstones. That is a logic. Here input is 3 is number of elements in the array. Here 3 elements, 3 strings are available. Here common letter we can see B is common in three strings and A is common in 3 strings. So A and B are the gemstones. So number of gemstones available in this input is 2. That is the output. Here explanation is only A and B gemstones because they are only type that occur in every rock. Yeah, that rock we have to find the gemstones by all the rocks contain the same letter, then it is considered as a gemstone. Here I am returning only one line to display the output. I have to explain these things first, then I will explain this one line. Here I'm getting the same input which is given here, but I'm not getting from the user. Just I given those input. Here you can see A, B is common in every string, so A, B is gemstones. 2 will be my output. Here first I'm considering this array as I'm considering and converting it as set, because set only contains the unique element, not repeated elements. So first I want to remove, if D is 2 times occur, I have to remove 1 D. Then C is 2 times occur, I have to remove 1 C. Like that I have to remove it. So just I am mapping and convert it to set. This line will looks like here. Here you can see D is not appear in 2 times. E is A, B, C, D, E. These things only here came. Then here also one C is removed. Here also one E is removed. That is a set. This line will be implicitly converting this to set. If I directly print A, then it will give a object, not this set, because it is a set of group of variables, not a single object. So I have to give star, then only it will give all the things. After that, this is just for seeing viewing. Then b equal to set dot intersection. Intersection is a function which is available in set, which is used to identify the common things in between the two sets. Here I'm just using the same thing, and I'm using here, and all the things will be intersection, common things only here stored in B. You can see here B and A is common things as a set here came. After that I will print the length of length of this B, then it will give us 2, because B and A 1 and 2 count is 2, so it will give a 2 as a count. This this whole thing working in one line here. First mapping will happen, then set intersection will happen. After that, after this whole thing happen, the length of the gemstones will be counted here, and in this function gemstones function will return it. This is the function working. I will run it now. You can see here sample test cases are passed. I will submit the code. You can see here all the test cases are passed. It says congratulations, you have earned 20 points. So it successfully executed and all the test cases are passed. Like that, we can implement the gemstone HackerRank problem. This is the function of that one line I explained. We can implement it one line, otherwise we can do like this in a step-by-step procedure in here. Then we can return the size of the gemstones. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.